on the 4th of July. Rain prickles the tar-sutured stomach of the cul-de-sac, burbling in the curb. My little brother, orphaned by biological and adoptive fathers, talks of nothing but fireworks. And there's no one but me to walk him and his $30 through the mush of red paper and empty cartridges to the tent in the Price Chopper parking lot. In my black rain jacket, I take note of warning labels, a counselor at the altar of military smoke. Black snakes and snapdragons, blockbusters in cellophane, torn boxes of Magnum pistol poppers. See what I'm talking about? It's just anxiety. It's just a form of investment in the world and the people, in family, primarily, I think, for most people, but friends and family and those that you love. I think growing up as teens, we see our parents as twisted monsters.